everybody, welcome to a video. A video that, well, just, so, living, you can't see shit. Well, you can sort of see. Not really. But, yeah, you can see how there's, yeah, you quite literally cannot see outside of them. Ooh, sparkles. Yeah, that's basically what's happening. It's raining. It's raining. Wait, that sound. Oh. The air from the outside is going in. Is coming in through. You can't see it. This small thing. There we are. Now you can see. Yeah, it's coming in from right there. Yeah. See all that water? How much water? How watery it is outside, y'all. Look at that. I can't do this correctly. There. My gosh, look at how much water it is. And how the sound is coming from there. I can't do anything about that. I don't think so. Well, no, I could. Just can't do anything right now. Yeah, this is fun. It's, getting pretty terrible. Oh well.